Direction of postal articles. Save as otherwise provided in Rule 49 and 56A, a postal article redirected to any place served by the inland post by an officer of the post office or by an agent of the addressee after its delivery shall be transmitted by post free of charge in respect of such transmission, further transmission. Provided that in the case of an unregistered article redirected by an agent of the addressee, the article has not been opened and has been either returned to the postman or reposted at the place of delivery, and in the case of a registered article redirected by an agent of the addressee, the article has not been opened and has been returned to the postman at the place of delivery with the receipt unsigned. Where a postal article is redirected to any place under the first paragraph of this rule, the postmaster at such place may, if authorized by a general or special order in this behalf issued by the postmaster general, require the addressee of the redirected article to give at the time of delivery a receipt for such article. A postal article reposted after having been opened or reposted at any place other than the place at which it was delivered shall be treated as a postal article posted for the first time and charged with postage accordingly. A registered article of which delivery has been taken can be reposted only under the condition prescribed for the posting of registered articles for the first time, except that subject to the provisions of Rule 49, no fresh charge shall be made on account of postage if the article has not been opened. If an officer to whom a postal article has been delivered in pursuance of order made under Section 26 of the Act returns the article to the post office with a view to its transmission either to the original sender or to the original addressee, the article shall, provided it is suitably packed and addressed, be transmitted to its destination by post free of further charge on account of postage. A parcel redirected to any place served by the inland post shall save where the original address and the substitute address are within the delivery area of the same post office or are within the same post town, or where the parcel has been returned by the surface route as unclaimed or refused for delivery to the sender within the delivery of the post office of issue or the same post town, be chargeable in respect of each redirection with further postage as follows. If the parcel is redirected by the surface route, a sum equal to half the amount of postage chargeable for the transmission of that parcel by the surface route. If the parcel is redirected or returned to the sender by air, a sum as under clause 1, and in addition the difference between the amount of postage chargeable for transmission by air and the amount of postage chargeable for transmission by the surface route of that parcel. Suspension or restriction of transmission of postal articles. The Postmaster General may at any time, in respect of any particular office or officers, suspend the acceptance or dispatch of all or any of the classes of postal articles, or restrict the number or description or both of all or any of the classes of postal articles to be accepted or dispatched.